How do I clean marble without damaging it? If you've ever wondered how to clean marble countertops, marble floors, or marble showers without damaging them, you're asking the right question. Marble is beautiful but delicate, and the wrong cleaner can etch, stain, or strip away protection in seconds. So, how do you clean marble safely? Step one is the cleaner. Always use a pH neutral stone cleaner. This keeps marble safe while removing everyday soil. That's exactly what we designed with the Clean Story Marble and Granite Daily Stone Cleaner. It's streak free, residue free, and safe for daily use. You can find it on Amazon. Just search the Clean Story Marble Cleaner. Sometimes you need a little bit more power for grease or buildup. That's when you'd use an alkaline stone cleaner. But here's the rule. Alkaline cleaners can also strip sealer. So if you ever use one, follow up with a penetrating sealer. On our Amazon page, you'll find a Clean Story deep cleaner and a Clean Story penetrating sealer, made to work together. Step two, the tools. Don't scrub marble with steel wool, scouring pads, or anything abrasive. They'll scratch the surface and kill the shine. Instead, use a microfiber towel for wiping. For grout lines, use a grout brush that's tough enough to scrub, but safe for the surrounding stone. We've got two on our Amazon page designed exactly for that. And step three, what to avoid. If a product says any of these words, skip it. Brightens, lemon, citrus, clean and rejuvenate, clean and polish, works great on grout or grout cleaner. Here's why. Brighteners. Lemon is citrus. Citrus equals acid. They etch. Rejuvenate or polish usually means that it has acrylics or waxes that leaves a coating. Grout cleaners almost always are acidic, and the big ones, vinegar, bleach, and ammonia, all too harsh. So really, all you need is a pH neutral daily cleaner for everyday care, an alkaline cleaner plus a penetrating sealer for deep cleans. The right tools, microfiber towels, and a safe grout brush. Skip the gimmicks, skip the shortcuts, you'll skip the damage. To recap, use a pH neutral cleaner. A Clean Story Daily Cleaner is ideal. If you deep clean with alkaline, reseal after. Use microfiber towels and a safe grout brush. Avoid vinegar, bleach, ammonia, citrus, brighteners, grout cleaners, or anything labeled polish. If you follow those steps, your marble will stay clean and safe and protected. If you're in the Chicagoland area or neighboring suburbs and your marble is already dull, etched, or scratched, contact us, CSI Absolute Clean. You can Google us or click the link below. We specialize in marble cleaning, sealing, and restoration so your stone looks its best.